Types of abbreviations in English. Based on what part of words or phrases are removed, abbreviations are commonly classed into the following 4 types. Number 1, initialisms. This process of abbreviation refers to using only the first letter of each word or phrase. This is done in case of organizations, country names, or concepts. Examples of initialisms: A, WHO or WHO, which means World Health Organization. B, ASAP, which means as soon as possible. C, USA, United States of America. Number 2, acronyms. Like initialisms, acronyms refer to the process of shortening words or phrases by using the letters of each word or phrase, ultimately creating a pronounceable word. Example of acronyms: A, NATO or NATO, North Atlantic Treaty Organization. B, NASA or NASA, National Aeronautics and Space Administration. C, fanboys, the coordinating conjunctions for, and, nor, but, or, yet, so. Number 3, clippings. Clipping refers to the process of shortening words or phrases by means of removing some parts of words or phrases. Clipping is done to make words and phrases short and easy to use. Examples of clippings: A, lappy, which is a laptop. B, lab, which means laboratory. C, gym, which is gymnasium or gymnasium. Number 4, contractions. Contraction refers to the process of shortening words or phrases by means of removing some parts of them and using an apostrophe. Examples of contractions: A, it's, which means it is or it has. B, I, which means I had or I would. C, don't, which means do not.